Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the new location for Pricesmart in Montego Bay. We are in Anshore. This land used to be a part of the golf course out here. So Pricesmart set up its first location on Red Hills Road in Kingston. Did very well, and they opened a second location in Portmore. Did very well. They're actually expanding the Portmore location now. And they decided to set up a third location here in Montego Bay. So they started work last year in 2024, and basically this is how far they've reached. So guys, I want to ask you a question. Where else in Jamaica do you think they should put a Pricesmart location? I think somewhere on the north coast, probably St. Anne, that area, Draxall, somewhere close to there. But where do you think? There's also Maypen, Mandeville. So let us know what you think. Where another location, well, another spot that would be good for our location. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives some information on what they're doing out here in Anshore. Oh, and another thing to point out, this location is very close to the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. Originally, Pricesmart had bought some land in Catherine Hall to set up the location there. But once they announced the Montego Bay Perimeter Road, the plan was changed and this location was chosen because of its proximity to the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. Pricesmart, a membership-based warehouse club, is expanding its presence in Jamaica with a new location in Montego Bay. Construction began in March 2024 on a site in the Anshore area previously used as a golf course near Witter Village. This development follows the success of Pricesmart's existing locations in Kingston and Portmore. The Montego Bay Club aims to provide residents with a wide range of products including groceries, electronics, and home goods, all under one roof. In addition to the upcoming warehouse club, Pricesmart operates a fresh bakery outlet at Shop 26 Bogue City Centre, Montego Bay, offering freshly baked goods to the community. Alright guys, so that is the end of the update article. So we will keep you guys updated on this construction or this development. Alright guys, let us know and leave a comment in the section below. Where else in Jamaica would be a good location for another Pricesmart location? Alright guys, have a good day.